Good morning, students. How are you? Doing well at your home? Students, today we will start fifth chapter of second book, that is Parties and Party System in India. Before I start this chapter, let me tell you something. I have told you that second chapter has been deleted from the syllabus. Actually, that lesson is not deleted. That lesson is merged with fifth chapter. The name of the fifth chapter in your book given is Challenges to the Congress System. Now, the name of this chapter is Parties and the Party Systems in India. Earlier, the name of this chapter was Challenges to the Congress System. Now, its name is Parties and Party System in India. And this chapter 5 includes all the subject matter from lesson 2 and lesson 5. And something extra is also included in this chapter. Clear? So let us start with the chapter. In this chapter, we will focus mainly on these topics that is given by CBSE. We will discuss the meaning of party and party system. Then we will discuss types of party system. Then we will discuss about the dominance of one party in India, that is Indian National Congress. Then we will discuss why there was dominance of Indian National Congress, what was the nature of Congress, then opposition parties in India and their ideology, then what happened in the politics of India that challenged the Congress dominance, what changes occurred in Indian politics, coalition, defection and regional parties. Then we will study about the split in Congress in 1969, and then in last we will study about the nature of restored Congress, means how the new Congress was different from early Congress, how the nature of restored Congress was different from the nature of this Congress. So students, these are the main topic that we will study in this chapter. And students, in your book you will not find any subject matter related to these topics. These first two topics, nothing had been given in your book, so you have to depend upon this PPT only. So please listen and study carefully. Clear? Now let us start. Now, what is a political party? All of you know, political party is a group of people. Which type of group? Organized. It is an organized group of people, those who are having same ideology. Because if the people are having different ideology, then they cannot be in one group. Clear? So the organized group of people with same ideology, or those who are having same political positions and who field candidates for elections, means those who contest the election, they try to get elected, and after that they implement the agenda or the policy of the party. Clear? So this is the definition of a political party. The group of people, organized group of people with same ideology who contest the election, get elected and then implement the policies of the party. Clear now? Now, students, there are many types of party system. All the countries of the world are not having same types of party system. There are three types of party system: one party system or single party system, bi-party system means two party system, and multi-party system means a country having more than two parties. So there are how many types of party system? Three types of party system: single party system, bi-party system, and multi-party system. Now I will explain you one by one. In single party system, only one political party is allowed legally to hold effective power. All the communist countries of the world are having one political party only. In the erstwhile USSR, there was Communist Party. In Cuba, there is one party only. North Korea, again one party. Vietnam is also having one. China is also having one party, that is Communist Party. So, one party system means a country where only one single party is legally allowed. No other party is allowed to be exist in that country. That is one party system or single party system. Now second type of party system is two party system. Two party system means a country where there are only two political parties only. Only two political parties are there, and the example of two party system is USA. USA is having two political parties only. Now third type of party system is multi-party system. Multi-party system means a country which is having more than two parties, and time to time, after some time, different parties they win the election. It is not compulsory that only one party will be elected or only two parties will be there to contest the election. In multi-party system, there may be win of any political party, and most of the countries in the world are having multi-party system. Australia, Canada, Pakistan, India, Ireland, UK, Norway, all these are the example of those countries which are having, although they are having strong parties, but they are having some other parties also. Clear? So this is about the party system. Okay, and from tomorrow we will discuss about party system in India. Till then, goodbye and take care.